Los Angeles to Shanghai. Is it true that planes don't fly over the Pacific Ocean? This flight is one of many that cross the Pacific Ocean every day. There is a myth that planes don't fly over the Pacific Ocean. The truth is that this information makes no sense at all. Of course, the journey across the Pacific can make some people scared. However, the flights are super smooth. Especially at night. You will travel with tremendous darkness outside your window. Have you ever traveled the Pacific Ocean?